How to log into Facebook with Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we will show you how we can log into Facebook using your Gmail account. So let's just get started with the video. First of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone or your tablet, or you can directly go to facebook.com if you are using a computer or even in your phone. And after that, on the home page, you will see a login button. Click or tap on it. And next, you just need to enter your email address that you have used to create your Facebook account or your mobile number. So here you may just type in your email address. After that, you need to enter your password here and simply tap on the login button. And if you have any kind of two-factor authentication on, you just need to enter the 6-digit code that you will be receiving on your email address or your phone number. And even after that, if you're having trouble logging in, you can click on forgotten password to reset it. This will allow you to receive a password reset link via your Gmail account. And that is it. Once you're logged in, you can start browsing Facebook, check your feed and interact with the post. And that's how easy it is to log into Facebook using your Gmail account. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials.